Looking to understand how your automation settings are running? The Smart Rules report allows admins to track the performance and impact of automation at a glance, ensuring a high-quality support environment. Let's get started by navigating to Reports and then to Smart Rules. The summary pane gives you a gist of Smart Rule activity for the specified time frame, including the count of unique Smart Rules triggered at least once, the cumulative number of times various rules were activated across all tickets, and the overall count of tickets with at least one Smart Rule trigger. Admins can easily refine the data displayed by defining parameters including filters, choosing categories, and defining a time period. The report features powerful widgets for deeper analysis. By Smart Rule visualizes the distribution of individual rules, allowing you to toggle between times triggered and tickets applied through a table, bar, pie, or donut chart to identify which rules had the most impact. By Smart Rule, Relative quickly compares tickets applied and times triggered side by side using bar or table charts. This is perfect for identifying rules with a high trigger-to-ticket ratio. Smart Rule Metrics across time identifies specific time periods with high activity or benchmark rules against one another using line graphs, heat maps, or timeline tables. You can adjust the time format by hour, day, month, quarter, or year. It is important to note that deleted Smart Rules are still accounted for in these statistics if they were triggered during the selected time frame, ensuring your historical data remains accurate. Access to this report is governed by the View Smart Rules Reports permission under Roles and Permissions. The Smart Rules report transforms automation data into actionable insights, helping you optimize your workflows and ensure your help desk runs like clockwork. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.